What's everybody doing today? We just did a load from Victorville, California, out here in Fife, Washington. And we pulled over. We're going to get a load in the morning. So have some time to make some videos. So what we do, let's go with the flow. Alright y'all, I want y'all to see this first video of this tire. A tire crashing into this house. Now, I don't know if it's a truck tire, a car tire, a SUV tire, but watch this. Go crash right to the house. Go crash right to the house. From way down the road. They said it was coming about 40 miles an hour. Crashed right into the house. And he looking like, what the heck was that? Right now I got a video of this truck crashing into this hardware store. Let's take a look at this right here. Ah! Right to the hardware store. Look at that. Alright, now this video here is with a cement truck. So you can see another nice day, just riding along, nice neighborhood, nice manicured lawns and everything, nice and sunny out, blue sky, everything just looking great. And you know, you don't expect something to happen, but like always, anything can happen at any time. Just riding through, going where you need to get to, and then you come up to the intersection here, and this comes right here. It comes right here. Woo! Oh God. All right, now, this video here is pretty strange to me. This is viewer discretion advised. This is something that I would never want to go through, or anybody else to have to go through. Let's take a look at this. Truck just driving. And the guy just walks out right in front of the truck. Why would you just walk right out in front of the truck? On purpose. He's laying over there, but I mean, wait a second. He's just laying over there. What would make you do that, just to walk in front of any moving vehicle, especially a semi-truck? Okay, he's moving, he's getting up. But dude, why would you do that? Don't do that. Man. Alright, let's watch this video of this semi-truck that just blows a stop sign. Here he come. Here he come. Oh! Oh! Right through there. Caught him on the tandems, on the back trailer tires. Caught him right on the tandems. Right on the tandems. Ah. Now here's a video of this tanker carrying petroleum gas.
A collision on a highway in Italy caused an extraordinary...
Slow down, dude. Slow down. You got liquid petroleum gas in there. Slow down. Go hit him right in the back. Man. And them tankers, boy, them tankers can be very dangerous. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Look what it did. Look at the damage. Man, messed the whole bridge up. I think they said cars caught on fire and everything. Man, that's crazy. Wow. All right, now let's watch this drunk truck driver here just don't take it upon himself just to beat traffic and go to where he got to go to, messing everything up. People out there throwing things at him. He must really got to get somewhere in a hurry. Wow, just going to just go through like he owned everything. The street is congested. Gotta have patience, man, especially a truck driver, man. You gotta have patience. Go through there like that, wow. Alright, now let's watch this video of this truck just barreling down the sidewalk like everything is his. Let's check this out. You're gonna act like everything is on the sidewalk. Here I go. Here I go. That's mine. That's mine. What else is mine? I want something else. What else is mine? Okay. This is mine. That's mine. That's crazy. Wow. Now, we was up in either South Dakota or Montana 2.5 weeks ago, and went up a hill, and it's all ice, snow on the top of the ice, and we was coming up the hill around a bend, and I was driving, and the trail started going to the left on its own, stopped, and wouldn't stop. So I slowed down, and you know, once the trailer goes to an opposite, turn the front the opposite way so you can get back together. It wasn't going back together. So I just had, so this video right here reminds me of what happened. Now this video here, this truck had crashed into this hydro pole, they call it, a hydro pole, and fell on top of this house. Literally fell on top of this house. Look at this right here. Look at that. Look at the truck right there. Hit something right there, the hydro pole. Flipped up, nose first. Back end, falls right on top of the house. Like literally falls on top of this house. I mean, it's some of these things I've been looking at, I'd be like, how is this possible? How is it possible? I mean, look at the truck. It's literally on top of the house. There's the driver, he's safe. Glad he wasn't injured, and I believe nobody in the house was injured either. But sometimes that baffles me. How is that possible? Boy, these livestock haulers, I don't know what it is, boy. They be hauling down the road. Boy, they be hauling. I mean, they pass everybody on the interstate. They just pass everybody hauling that livestock. And on this video right here, he should have slowed down. See how fast he's going? See what I'm saying? Now, in this next clip, if this what happened to me, I'm a freak out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a freak out. Hey, stay away from me. Stay away from me. I'ma stay away from you. Not no bear. Not no bear. Nah. I do the same thing. I'm on top of my truck.